Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where luxury is not just seen, it's felt. Today, we invite you to step inside one of California's most breathtaking estates, a $70 million masterpiece located at 120 Montecito Ranch Lane in Summerland, California. This isn't just a home, it's a statement of elegance, power, and architectural perfection. As the drone rises over the coastline, the first glimpse is absolutely mesmerizing. 19.78 acres of manicured landscape surrounded by the glistening Pacific Ocean and the rolling green hills of Santa Barbara. The neoclassical architecture radiates a timeless beauty, tall columns, golden accents, and white stone walls glowing in the warm California sun. Every angle whispers sophistication, every shadow, perfectly placed by design. As we move closer to the main entrance, the gates glide open to reveal a marble driveway leading to the grand facade. The sound of the fountain welcomes you like music, a symbol of peace and prosperity. Step inside the grand foyer, where double staircases sweep upward beneath a crystal chandelier sparkling with natural light. The air feels rich, not just in wealth, but in detail and craftsmanship. This estate offers more than 27,000 square feet of living space, including 12 bedrooms, 23 bathrooms, and features that redefine modern luxury. The interior design blends classical artistry with contemporary comfort, creamy marble floors, gold-trimmed walls, and massive glass windows that open to the endless ocean view. The formal living room greets you with open arms. Tall windows frame the horizon like a moving painting. A grand piano stands ready for evening melodies, while soft golden lighting dances off the marble walls. It's a place designed for celebration and serenity all at once. From there, glide into the dining hall, a masterpiece on its own. A single table stretches beneath a crystal chandelier, ready to host intimate dinners or royal banquets. Each chair, each plate, each golden detail is a reminder that luxury lives in the details. Now, welcome to the gourmet kitchen, the heart of the home. This space combines modern technology with refined taste. Marble countertops, golden fixtures, and professional-grade appliances. Whether you're cooking for 2 or 100, this kitchen makes every moment an experience in elegance. The TV lounge opens next, warm, inviting, and beautifully designed. Soft designer couches face a panoramic ocean view, while the sound of gentle waves echoes through glass walls. Here, luxury meets comfort, a space where you can relax yet still feel royal. Venture deeper into the mansion, and you'll discover the private nightclub. Yes, a nightclub inside your own home. It features a marble dance floor, a custom bar, and ambient lighting that turns any night into an unforgettable event. A movie theater and 5,000-bottle wine cellar complete this entertainment wing, making it one of the most exclusive personal retreats in America. Next, we step into the master suite, a sanctuary that overlooks both the ocean and the mountains. A king-size bed sits beneath gold accents, with sliding glass doors opening to a private balcony. The suite includes a spa-inspired bathroom, marble bathtub, and a walk-in wardrobe that rivals high-end boutiques. Every inch has been crafted to deliver absolute comfort and privacy. Step outside, and paradise unfolds. A 128-foot infinity pool stretches toward the horizon, its water reflecting the golden glow of sunset. A 15-stall horse stable, private polo field, and butterfly preserve enhance the grounds, creating a world where nature and luxury coexist perfectly. The air is pure, the view is endless, and the serenity is priceless. As the drone glides higher, you see the guesthouse and private polo clubhouse, offering accommodations and event spaces that redefine exclusivity. The estate's symmetry, its light, and its energy feel like a dream carved into the California coast. Listed by Crystal Clark of Berkshire Hathaway, one of the nation's top luxury real estate agents, this home represents the pinnacle of modern estate living, elegance rooted in tradition, but built for the future. At American Dream Mansions, we celebrate properties that inspire the imagination and set new standards for beauty and design. This $70 million Summerland mansion is more than an address, it's a vision of what success can look like when passion meets perfection. Before we end this tour, let's take one last panoramic view, the waves of the Pacific sparkling under the California sun, the mansion standing proudly in its golden glory, and the promise of a lifestyle that few will ever know but everyone dreams about. Thank you for joining us on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more extraordinary luxury home showcases. Your dream home may be one video away.